Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're here with our cousin Marithza.
Hi.
And we're going to be making slime. So the materials that we're going to be using is
Glue.
forks, bowls, and detergent. Optional
is shaving cream,
and glitter.
and
Straws for crunchy slime.
So let's get started. Okay,
so first we're gonna add glue.
Are we going to use all of this?
yeah, if you want to use all of it. Boom, 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 boom.
Gotta make sure I leave no layers.
Eventually.
Okay, so I'm done.
I'm done too.
Here is my plate.
I want everything in.
Okay. Now the shaving cream.
Now we're
Okay,
gonna
so-
add shaving cream.
So here's the.
We're gonna shake it. Shake.
Okay.
Okay.
I
Now
want to touch it.
time to add.
Look.
Wait, I don't want
You
no
can touch
bubbles.
it. Your hands are gonna get dirty.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Yeah, I don't want no bubbles in this thing.
Okay, here. Who's
There.
next to you? There.
Me.
I'm gonna start
You want me to add for
mixing
you?
my
Whoa.
slime.
You want me to add for you?
I already
I'm going to do it myself.
Up there.
Take it. I'm going to this one.
Here you go. Now we are gonna mix it.
Yeah.
Okay, mix. And guys, if you want
It smells good.
your slime to be very fluffy, you have to add a lot of shaving cream.
There we go. Now we're going to mix it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, everyone is mixing.
Okay.
This looks so
There.
like whipped.
I want mine really fluffy.
You know what this reminds me of? Marshmallow fluff.
Ooh.
If this was, I
Don't
would
eat
already
this.
be finishing it.
Look how much I added.
This looks so delicious, but
Look at mine.
it's not going to be delicious.
Okay,
Now
now
we're
we're gonna
gonna
add in more fluff to it
Why?
because I want it.
Can I get
A little bit of content.
here? Oh, yeah, sorry. Do I add my glitter? Super fluff.
You could if you want to.
Wait,
I'm going to start adding my glitter, and my glitter is purple.
I want to touch it, but then my hands are going to get dirty. And then I just want to get them dirty
Look at mine.
when it's like almost finished.
Mine.
When it's like almost ready.
Well,
Like, actually when it's ready.
Look at mine.
That's what I want.
now I'm going to stir.
Look at mine,
I
guys.
got silver and
Look at mine.
oh, it smells so good.
Now we're gonna add the glitter.
I
which
got
is
red
optional.
glitter.
You don't really have to add glitter, but we're gonna add glitter. Except our cousin, because she didn't want to add glitter, right?
She just wants
So guys, we are done mixing. Like, look at this.
Look at this,
My
Christmas.
hands. Sorry. Look at our slimes.
Yeah, hers is just white.
So
Mine's
we're
just
going to
white.
add a little bit of crunch to it, and then the detergent.
No, that's after.
Yeah, that's after.
You can't.
Now we have to add the detergent.
Mine is so good.
Look at mine.
Wait, bring the green in.
Mine's jumping. Yours is like.
Mine's is the best in the West.
mine's is the best in the world.
My fork almost went in there. Watch out your hand.
Can your fork actually sing?
Yeah.
You
you're already
So I wanted to do that.
It's like double gun.
Because
Don't
I want
shave
it
it.
Ready?
super fluffy.
They look so flat, not skinny.
But remember, we also need to
Look.
find a bowl for it to keep
It looks
in.
so glittery.
I can see myself in here. Oh, hello.
Okay.
Okay, now
I'm going to add
the
more
glitter.
glitter in it.
Whoa, look how much I got.
More like shaving cream, then it just glue.
I know, right?
Nothing happened.
I'm gonna add in here. Everybody's gonna get from here.
Nothing.
My shirt. What did he do? I'm going to touch you. What did he do?
I didn't do nothing.
There.
I didn't do nothing.
Okay, choose first. Emily. Okay, Marissa's first.
Okay. So this is our final product of our slimes. Mine is a minty green with crunch and sprinkles in it. I mean glitter. I always call it sprinkles.
Mine's is a sky high, golden, blue.
Mine's more of a blue, and I added some colorful straws, pieces of straws.
Yours is going all over the place.
And mine is a Christmassy one.
It's like green.
I put green, some red, and some more
Look.
green sparkles.
Okay. So,
The question of the day is,
Are you a Jake Pauler?
or a low gainster. We are low gain
callers.
You're low gain for both. So if you're both, you can also say that in the comments down below. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share with family and friends, and leave in the comments down below what other games do you want us to play. Bye!